हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग जो वीडियो लेके आए हैं वो है बोट स्टोन 1400 मिनी ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर का अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो। फ्रेंड्स आई ब्रॉट इट फ्रॉम अमेजोन एट द प्राइस ऑफ 2500। डील पे चल रहा था। एवरेज प्राइस इज अराउंड 3K 3000 रुपीज़। फ्रेंड्स, तो ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं दोस्तों। बोट इज़ ए ब्रांड विच नीड्स नो इंट्रोडक्शन इन इंडिया। दोस्तों, लास्ट 2 years में या 1.5 year में the kind of growth the company has seen, the kind of products it has brought. So, like, if you are buying boat, it's like the best deal for your money. Like, in the cheapest price, you will get the maximum output of your, whatever speaker, headphones. It's like a audio giant right now in India for the best value for money products. So let's see, friends, what's inside. These are some of the highlighted features, friends. It's the speaker is water resistant, so you can take it to anywhere. Like, up, if your kids accidentally throw some water on it, you are going to some picnic in some riverside place, or like whatever, it's totally water resistant. It's Bluetooth. It has a backup of 6 hours, 18 watt sound output, and rest is it's totally wireless. You just have to connect it with your Bluetooth, phone's Bluetooth, and yeah, it's like chargeable via a C-type cable, the C-type charger like we all have. And if you don't have a C-type cable, like if you have a normal charger also, like A-type or B-type, whatever, they have given C-type charger in the box. So you just have to put that cable and charge it. So like it's as simple as that. So let's start the unboxing, friends. See, friends, this is how the product looks. They have given like, first of all, let me tell you one good thing about the product. Like, it's very compact. Actually, Bluetooth speakers, my friends, Boat has 3 speakers in the lineup. First one is Boat 650, then Boat 1000, and Boat 1400. So 650 is like a smaller speaker. So if you are using for your like desktop or even in your office laptop and all, you can go for the, or like a very casual purpose. Like if you have your Zoom call meetings with office, you just need a small speaker, Bluetooth speaker, then you can go for 650. 1000 and 1400 are the like what you can say, like pure music listening or partying gadgets. 1000, one more thing, the main difference, because I have one of my friends using boat 1000 and I have gone for the 1400. 1000 और 1400 में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस कुछ नहीं है, प्राइस भी मोटा मोटी सेम ही रेंज में है. बट द थिंग इज दैट अगर आपको साउंड थोड़ा ज़्यादा लाउड चाहिए, या इफ़ यू वांट मोर साउंड आउटपुट, even though this is 18 watt, but that 1000 is more louder. But if you go by the refinement of the sound, or the like, what should I say, quality, sound quality, I'll say 1400 has a better sound profile and sound texture than Boat 1000. बाकी प्राइस में कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है, एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग 1000 और 1400 में स्पीकर वाइज भी बहुत डिफरेंस नहीं है. बोथ आर, या 1000 का बैटरी बैकअप थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, और साउंड में ये थोड़ा सा बेटर है. इट हैज़ ए स्लाइटली अपर एज ओवर 1000, बट मोर और लेस बोथ आर सेम. वो थोड़ा लाउड है. अगर आपको मतलब सही में कुछ मतलब फ्रेंड्स के साथ पार्टी वार्टी करते हो, आप बैचलर टाइप के हो, या मतलब यू नो ना, you have parties, then you should go for 1000. And if you are like, it's a family purpose thing, उतना loud नहीं चाहिए, but you focus more on the, what should I say, the quality and crispness of the sound, then 1400 is the thing. So let's not waste more time, friends. Let's do the unboxing. Very simple, friends, कुछ है ही नहीं. There are 4 buttons. One is power button, 2 are like plus and minus, volume up down keys, and this is like play pause key. and इसको आप अगर डबल टैप करोगे ना, ऐसे करके एक साथ में डबल टैप करोगे एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, इट हैज़ 2 मोड्स एक्चुअली, इंडोर एंड आउटडोर मोड. सपोज आप ये स्पीकर लेके कुछ पिकनिक विकनिक गए हो फ्रेंड्स के साथ, so they have done some internal setting, indoor and outdoor mode they are calling it. Outdoor mode is like a bit more louder, जैसे like in the outside it will sound good, and indoor mode is for like playing inside the house. And I have tested like it's actually outdoor is more loud and less refined, and this indoor is like thoda loudness kam rehta hai and sound quality is more refined, you can say. uh, so let me power on the device, friends. This button.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
I'll do one thing, friends.
Your device is ready to pair.
He's saying the device
You're
is
now
ready
connected to Stone 1400 Mini.
Okay, the device is already paired. So like वो auto में ले लेता है. If you have initially paired with one of your devices, it will automatically pair. Like मैंने अपने मोबाइल के साथ इसको already pair करके test कर लिया है. So it has already auto paired with my Bluetooth phone's Bluetooth. Bas nothing. You just pair it with your Bluetooth, throw it anywhere in the room, whatever, like on the cupboard, in the floor, wherever, you just keep it, and it's like going to be. Now one thing I'll do is like I'll show you the sound quality, friends. This is the thing which matters the most. Rest everything is already I have explained, and I'll show you this feature, guys. This is the place, friends. This is your charging point, and from this you can take a 3mm jack. So if you are not ready to pair with Bluetooth, even simply using a 3.5mm जो आपका हेडफोन वाला जैक होता है ना, उसको लगा के भी आप इसको पेयर कर सकते हो. लाइक ब्लूटूथ अगर आपका कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है मोबाइल में फॉर एनी रीजन, दे हैव गिवन दिस केबल, दिस 3.5mm जैक जो आपका हेडफोन वाला होता है, इसको दोनों एंड में लगा के भी यू कैन सिंपली लाइक व्हाट शुड आई से पेयर, या. एंड बाकी वन मोर थिंग, फ्रेंड्स, ये जो बोट के जो जितने भी ये जो ब्लूटूथ वाले स्पीकर्स है ना, लाइक इनकी बिल्ड क्वालिटी इट्स लाइक सो गुड, सो ऑसम, यू कैन नॉट बिलीव. लाइक फॉर ए प्राइस ऑफ एज लो एज लाइक सेल वेल के टाइम, ऑफन ड्यूरिंग सेल्स एंड डील्स लाइक प्राइम डे सेल्स एंड ऑल, 2.5K, 2.2K, 2000 to 3000 के रेंज में such awesome sturdy pieces they are giving. Just see this thing, man. It's like so beautiful, so sturdy. Like it's really sturdy. Even if your child drops it twice or thrice, moreover it's water resistant. So build quality wise, the boat is just awesome. And the kind of market share it has taken, it tells the it is the best right now in the budget segment. Definitely it can't compete with Bose and those kind of high premium brands, but in the budget segment this is the best. And it's not just like budget बोल के कुछ भी दे दिया. They have a very good sound quality also. The sound texture, the sound profile, it's really good. So this is all about the product, friends. Now one thing I'll do in the end is like I'll pair it with my the other cell phone I have, and I'll show you a demo of like the music quality. Okay, friends, just wait for a minute. Friends, now I'll give you a demo video regarding the sound quality of the speakers. Bluetooth pairing and all I'm not going to show, but because it's too basic. You just have to pair it with the search in the Bluetooth section and pair it with Boat Stone Mini. It will show in the list. So let's play a song, friends. I have paired it and I'll show you the just sound volume level, maximum volume, and the quality of the sound. Actually, it's quite loud. Considering the size of the speakers, it's quite loud. Honestly speaking, the speakers have a good thumpy bass, and also the treble is quite balanced. So sound profile was also very good and quite loud. Okay, friends, that's enough for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I have been absent from YouTube for quite some time. Actually been busy with too many things. If you do like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button, and like thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.